Hi, welcome. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and you know what? It's not all about red. There's also romantic purple. Today we're going to make this great earring using a heliotrope Swarovski heart and some tanzanite rivolis. So easy to make. Here we go. You're going to need the heliotrope Swarovski heart, a gold-plated ice pick bail, a 4mm gold-plated jump ring, and this great tanzanite rivoli. And that is going to be mounted into this wonderful little gold-plated setting for ear wires. All right, here we go. I'm going to do the gluing first so we can get it out of the way and it can start curing while we're watching. We're going to use 5-minute DevCon epoxy. Have to squeeze equal amounts into your tray. A little bit of the part A and a little bit of the part B. I'm trying to be very careful because I sure don't need very much of it. I'm trying to be very careful. Here we go. A little bit of the part A, a little bit of the part B. Put the cap back on before you move on. Stir the A and the B together. This takes, 60 seconds. It's a really wonderful product that works so fast and easy. Don't stress it. It seems like such a difficult thing to do a two-part epoxy. It is not difficult at all. Mix a little bit of that up. Maybe 30 seconds of mixing. And put just a little bit in your ear wire because those rivolis fit in there really nice. We don't want to overflow with glue. Then I'm going to use my nifty little crystal katana to pick up that rivoli and put it in there. And the other end of it is great for tamping it into place and making sure it's accurate. And here's a trick I learned from my friend Lisa Pavelka. You don't want that to fall out while it's setting, and so pop the ear wire into a piece of scrap clay to hold it level while it sets. That one, come on. I want it perfect. There we go. And of course we do the second one as well. But for now, I just want to show you how to finish these ear wires. Next, take your Swarovski heliotrope heart, an ice pick bail. They got little tiny prongs on the end, and that's what's going to go into the hole of the heart. One prong on each side, and you can just close those up with your fingers. For a little added tightness, I will use my little flat nose pliers, but be careful. The heart, we don't want to chip it. So just give a little bit of gentle squeezing there. Make sure that's secure, but it's got a lot of movement. And while we've taken care of that, hopefully our rivoli has set. If not, we will cut to the magic of videography and come back in a couple minutes for that perfectly mounted rivoli. Go. Pick up the heart and put it right onto the ear wire. And close the jump ring with a twisting motion as always. And how easy is that? Make some purple passion for your loved ones. Enjoy making these. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.